교도소의 휴게실.
What you watching, fellas?
Our show.
그때 한 남자가 걸어 들어와서 대뜸 TV의 채널을 바꿔버리는데
We were watching that.
긴장감이 흐르던 순간 주인공 지미가 채널을 다시 바꿉니다.
You want to change that back?
No. I don't.
Right? Fucking now.
그때 리모컨 취급에 엄청나게 빡친 지미. 결국 처량하게 독방에 갇힌 신세가 된 지미는 수감 전 잘 나가는 마약 중개상이었죠.
If you had a look at the menu, sir?
마음에 드는 여성이 있다면
Jimmy.
Of course, Jimmy.
미소 한 번으로 꼬셔 집에 데려올 수 있을 정도의 외모와 재력을 갖춘 만족스러운 삶을 살고 있던 어느 날 FBI 요원들이 들이닥칩니다. 마약 단속국에서 지미를 체포하러 온 것인데요. 불법 무기들까지 걸리고 말죠.
Fuck is this, Jimbo?
Jimmy. It's an AK-47.
So no possibility of reduced sentence.
결국 구금된 지미에게 전직 경찰이었던 아버지가 찾아옵니다.
You'll get 5 years.
예상되는 형기는 5년.
They said the prosecutor, Beaumont, he's trying to prove something with you.
하지만 혐의를 인정하면 형을 줄여주는 것으로 보몬트 검사와 거래할 수 있었죠.
I was a cop for 23 years, and I asked around and they all said the same thing.
지미는 아버지의 말대로 혐의를 인정하는데요.
Guilty.
하지만
For the minimum guideline term of 120 months.
무려 10년형이 내려지고 마는데
10 years? 10 fucking years? Are you kidding me? You lied to me, Beaumont! You fucking lied to me!
그렇게 7개월이 지난 시점
You know what this is about?
지미에게 FBI 요원 로런과
I'm Special Agent Lauren McCulley. And do you know Mr. Beaumont?
보몬트 검사가 찾아오는데요.
Mr. Beaumont sandbagged me into accepting a 5-year plea when he knew I'd get 10. Who takes that deal?
You? You're a drug dealer.
지미는 생각보다도 교도소 생활을 잘 누리고 있었죠.
I hear you're making a real go of prison. Seem to get along with most of the dominant gangs. You've developed a sideline in here, no shit?
로런은 말을 빙빙 돌리며 지미를 살살 건드리는데
You get along with everyone. After a certain point, they do most of the talking.
I'm sorry?
You've got your patter, your funny story or two, but then you settle back and just let them run their mouths.
로런은 지미에게 맡길 임무가 있었죠.
We would like you to transfer to another prison and befriend someone to elicit a confession.
We need the precise location of a dead body.
You need.
We suspect that the man that you'll read about in that file has killed 14 women, maybe more, but we only tied him to 2, and we only have one of the bodies.
And this prison?
It's in Springfield, Missouri. Maximum security specializing in the criminally insane.
최악의 정신 이상 범죄자들이 수감된 교도소였는데요.
You want me to check into hell, cozy up to a fucking demon, and ask him all casual, hey, so where'd you bury 13 bodies?
이에 대한 지미의 대답은 간단했죠.
Not for all the fucking money in the world.
그때 로런이 제안합니다.
How about freedom?
A complete commutation of your sentence.
그럼에도 지미는 거절하는데요.
No.
This kind of deal won't walk through the door twice. So, before you spend the next 10 years wondering why you didn't take it, look at the file.
한편
Sammy?
지미를 찾아온 새어머니 세미.
Where's Dad?
지미의 아버지가 뇌졸중으로 후유증을 겪는다는 사실을 말해주는데요.
Is he okay?
The doctor said it was stress that did it. Know what caused that stress? You.
His poor Jimmy doing time because he was a bad father.
He told me you got some way of getting out of here earlier than the 10 years.
He don't got 10 years. And if you stay in here,
He don't got 3.
아버지를 위해 지미는 결국 제안을 받아들입니다.
Okay.
I'll let my bosses know you're amenable to a transfer, and we'll go from there.
밤이 되고 지미는 파일을 열어보는데 사건은 4년 전으로 거슬러 올라가 피해자 제시카 로치의 시신을 확인하는 형사.
He stepped out right about here.
What did he look like?
He was white. That's about all I saw. He hopped in a van and drove off. I know it was a Dodge for sure.
목격자에 의하면 주변에 다치밴을 탄 백인 남성이 있었다고 하는데 사건을 조사 중이던 담당 형사 밀러는 다치밴의 주인이 여성을 희롱해 여러 차례 신고된 사실을 알게 되죠.
Two 14-year-old girls riding their bikes. Said this perv in a van kept passing them. Told them he liked their boobies.
He said boobies?
Yep.
And said van is registered to
Larry D. Hall.
남자의 이름은 레리 D 홀이었고 그에 대해 조사하기 위해 관할 구역의 형사에게 전화하는데
Brian Miller from Georgetown again.
You said you grew up with Larry? What's he like? He grew up with a mom and dad who are
odd. A gravedigger. Larry grew up on a graveyard. But he's harmless.
그때 생각지도 못했던 이야기를 듣게 되는데
The thing is, there's a girl that went missing.
The college girl? He confessed to that.
But he didn't do it.
Said he was a serial confessor.
레리가 제시카가 아닌 다른 여성의 살인 사건을 자백했다는 말인데요.
He confessed in a missing persons case?
그러나 레리의 자백은 거짓이었고 진짜 범인은 이미 잡았다고 하는데
That's Larry. He's always trying to make himself look bigger than he is.
어쨌든 연쇄 자백자 레리를 만나러 신문 자리에 참여하게 된 밀러.
I know you like him for some dead girl in your town, but we wasted a day with this guy on the Reitler case. And he dragged us all around, one cornfield to the next, and he didn't do it. So I doubt he did yours. He just likes confessing to cops.
형사는 밀러에게 충고를 하는데요.
Good to know.
그렇게 만나게 된 레리는 수염이 특이하고 조용한 남자였는데요.
Are some exquisite burnsides.
A lot of people call them sideburns, but proper term is burnsides, yeah.
Yours are impressive no matter what they're called.
스몰 토크로 분위기 풀기를 시도하며 레리에게 사건에 대해 묻기 시작하는데
When you were driving around, do you remember talking to two girls?
레리는 점점 기억을 떠올리기 시작하는데요.
I asked for directions. They were very rude.
How were they rude?
They told me to.
Sorry, what?
Told me to go fuck myself.
Did you exchange words with them?
I did. It was all in fun.
Larry, these two girls in my town.
No, I was just goofing around with them. If they said that there was more to it, then they just didn't get the joke. I'm sorry. I would never dream of hurting two girls.
Well, you might dream of it.
What are you guys talking about?
Larry has vivid dreams.
They're just dreams.
Tell me about them.
In my dreams, I kill women.
자신이 꿈속에서 여성들을 해친다고 말하는 레리.
Sure.
They're just dreams.
신문을 이어가는 밀러.
Tell me more.
I'm kind of looking down on myself, like I'm not in my body.
Do you remember what your body is doing, Larry?
I only remember that it's something bad.
Where women are being killed.
Sometimes.
Do any of the women look like her?
레리에게 제시카의 사진을 보여주는데 그때 레리의 상태가 나빠지기 시작하고
I want to go home, Chris.
Larry, just look at the photo here.
I want to go home.
Okay, but is she in...
I want to go home.
Okay, I'll take you home. I'll take you home, Larry.
Okay.
Larry, it's okay. It's okay.
허무맹랑한 꿈 얘기에 밀러는 당황하는데요.
We got him in there talking about his dreams.
That's all they are. We don't have anything.
Because you didn't let me get it.
Larry talks big. That's it.
Did the same thing with us in the Reitler case.
결국 이날의 신문은 어수선한 분위기로 중단됩니다. 며칠 후 레리의 신문을 다시 이어가는데
What is this?
Waiver rights? It just says you're okay talking with me, answering a few questions.
Do you mind if I look over it for a minute?
Oh, sure.
거짓말을 탐지하기 위해 권리를 포기하는 각서에 정자체로 사인하는데
This is consent for the polygraph.
I can't take that.
이어서 거짓말 탐지에 대한 동의는 거부하는데요.
Why not?
Because I don't believe I'll pass.
의외로 똑똑한 모습을 보여주고
Why do you think that?
It was. Would you mind leaving? Your energy makes me feel itchy.
상황을 자신에게 편하게 바꾸기까지 하는데
Sure thing, Larry.
You know, I'm sorry. I'm just so tired right now. I'm afraid to sleep. I have nightmares all the time, and I get depressed like bad.
Well, besides the nightmares, what else depresses you?
I'm very lonely. Other guys, they have women that go to movies. They eat pizza together.
And you wish you had that? A woman who loved you?
Yes.
But you don't feel that's possible? You don't think women like you?
No.
What do you do with the urge to be with a woman?
Let's push it down.
It's probably what causes the nightmares. You know, you push it down, it climbs right back up into your dreams.
Yeah, that's why I do such awful things in my nightmares. That's all that they are, though. It's just dreams, you know?
다시 제시카의 사진을 보게 되는데요.
She wasn't in your dreams, Larry. She was in your reality.
I thought she was. Can I touch her?
Sure. Tell me how you met her.
그리고 꿈속에서 있었던 일들을 회고하기 시작합니다.
She was riding her bike, and I drove up and I stopped to talk to her. She was so very nice, you know, very nice at first.
And then she wasn't?
No, she was always nice. It's just that she got sad, real sad.
When was this?
When she was sad, she was in when she was in my van, and then later in the field.
Do you remember where exactly?
I do remember where it was exactly. It was just past mile marker 16 on 1125. Normally I wouldn't remember that. I might not remember it, but I didn't have time to bury her, so I had to drive past a few more times, try to find an opportunity, but I never found it. It didn't happen. I mean, normally I bury all of them.
Them?
The girls.
How many have there been?
계속해서 꿈에서 저지른 범행을 자백하는데
A few, you know. I just do things. I'm not in control. It's like that girl in Marion, the college girl.
You know, the Marion police arrested another man in that case.
You didn't do it.
레리의 입에서 엄청난 사실들이 쏟아져 나오는데 바로 공개되지 않은 범행에 대한 정보들이었죠.
Guy in Marion trying to take credit for my act. He didn't fold the clothes because he didn't break the zipper, and he didn't feel bad about it, and that's why I folded the clothes.
Yeah. I need a confession form and a computer. What's this about the clothes?
Trisha Reitler's clothes were found in a park about 10 miles from campus. That and a bloody earring was ripped from her ear. Her blood was on her jeans, and her zipper was broken where her jeans had been taken off of her.
She fought him.
None of this is public information.
We need a warrant on his home.
On it.
You're a county sheriff's investigator.
I'm chief investigator.
You just reeled in a serial killer.
Well, we haven't done shit yet. Let's close him.
We got it?
Yeah.
그렇게 레리의 말을 옮겨 적은 자백 용지를 그에게 보여주는데
I didn't do this.
Yeah, but you did, Larry.
No wonder why I can't sleep at night.
자백 용지에 마찬가지로 정자체로 사인하는 레리. 경찰들은 레리의 집과 소유물들을 조사하는데요. 모든 것들이 더러웠지만 그의 뱃만큼은 아주 청결했죠.
First ERT guy said to his expert nose it smells like 3 things. Chemical cleanser, Armor All, and denatured alcohol.
The one thing in the world Larry Hall keeps clean.
레리를 체포하는 밀러.
You really got nothing to say to me, huh, Larry?
레리는 밀러가 거짓 자백을 유도했다고 주장하는데요.
Enjoy having a good
You know, I
chat.
kept trying to tell you that they were just dreams. I kept telling you, but you kept pushing. You forced a fake confession on me.
Is that how you see it?
The lawyer said that I wasn't to say another word to you.
I don't know if that lawyer's looking out for you, in my opinion.
Because you twist what I have to say.
You told us about your dreams. We documented it, and you signed a confession.
Which was coerced!
No.
The confession was coerced!
갑자기 흥분해 노래를 부르기 시작하는 레리.
We are coming, Father Abram. 300,000 more.
Hey, Larry, take it easy.
그렇게 레리는 교도소에 수감되고 항소를 위해 재판이 열리는데요.
Due to a personality disorder that makes him susceptible to suggestion and pathologically eager to please, he confessed to a crime that he did not commit. Mr. Hall, signing his name in block letters when he is perfectly capable of cursive, give further credence to a state of mind that was suggestible.
정자체로 서명한 것이 위협을 받았다는 증거로 여겨지고 맙니다.
Mr. Hall's appeal is hereby granted.
재판은 레리에게 유리하게 돌아갔고.
What's our clock?
A month. And she's putting a hearing for the second appeal on the docket.
이대로라면 한 달 후에 풀려나게 되는데.
We need him to step way up.
I told him to move slowly. If he blows the approach to Hall,
Hall spooks. End of story.
but if he moves too slowly, Hall walks into the free world, buys himself another van, and a box of zip ties.
덕분에 스프링필드 교도소로 잠입한 지미의 역할이 더욱 중대해졌죠.
All right, close going there, bud. Follow me. 2010. Which way? Follow the crazy train, bud. Hang in there. First week's toughest.
가장 위험한 교도소의 야생적인 분위기 속에서 잔뜩 긴장한 지미. 그날 밤.
Hey, Larry.
지미는 교도소에서 레리의 얼굴을 처음으로 마주보게 됩니다. 다음 날 정신과 의사와 상담하는 지미.
I was week 1.
Motherfucker!
disorienting.
의사도 지미의 비밀을 알고 있는 사람이었는데요.
You having second thoughts?
Nothing but.
We're in the same boat, but I know the place for Larry Hall is here. Never back out there.
Wait, if things go completely south someday, how do I reach you or the warden?
You just demand to speak to me.
Guards don't like demands much.
How's your memory?
Top notch?
612-5711. That's my home number. You could only know that if I gave it to you. That should be enough to convince any guard to reach out to me.
612-5711.
우연히 만난 레리에게 인사를 건네보지만
How you doing? What pills they give you?
지미를 경계하는 레리.
Good chatting.
How to change the oil? It's not very hard. Can she at least siphon the gas via the fuel tank? She's got to have a hose. Stop. We don't want the gas to corrode the tank. Gas could corrode the tank.
Hey.
식당에서 한 번 더 만나 말을 걸어보지만
You seem pretty upset. I'm Jimmy, by the way.
레리는 대답을 하지 않는데요. 한편 아픈 몸을 이끌고 지미를 면회하러 온 아버지.
You should be in bed.
No, that's no good for me. I need to keep my mind, active.
How'd you get in? It's not visiting day.
The fellows here, they gave me a pass. I just showed up my badge.
하지만 아버지의 방문이 지미를 gon란하게 만들었죠.
I'm not supposed to have a family. You just outed me as a cop's kid.
Oh, Jesus. I forgot.
It's okay.
No, it's not. The parts, they're not connecting. I fucked you up.
Dad, look at me.
자신의 실수를 자책하는 아버지를 격려하는 지미.
This place is scary, and I don't know if I'm gonna be able to pull off what they asked me to. But then I think, nut up, pussy. You're Big Jim Keen's son.
Fuck.
When I was a kid, you'd walk through the door still in your uni half the time. You were so fucking big, strong.
아버지를 격려하며 지미는 두려운 마음을 다잡는데요.
You've been out there all day risking your life, not taking any shit. And I think I'm gonna be that guy someday. It's someday, Dad.
Okay, Jimmy. Time to go.
You mind keeping this to yourself?
Your old man being a cop?
Ex-cop.
간수에게 비밀로 해줄 것을 부탁하죠.
A lot of guys in here are cops' kids. Don't listen to me anyways, right?
Thanks.
한편 레리의 범죄 입증을 위해 조사 중인 노런과 밀러.
A bottle of Raina Ryson's birth control pills were found in Larry Hall's van.
A bottle?
여성을 살해한 증거가 레리의 밴에서 발견되었다고 하는데요.
Where did all this evidence end up?
Nowhere. Hall was cited for a misdemeanor and let go.
그럼에도 레리는 체포되지 않고 풀려났죠.
Wait, when did he confess?
That afternoon, they kept him on a 12-hour hold and then kicked him loose. They deemed him a serial confessor.
What a talent. You make people believe you aren't the killer even after you say you fucking did it.
한편 레리에게 말 걸기 시도하는 지미.
Hey, can I ask you something? Do you not like me or something, man?
Is that what you were going to ask me?
No, I was gonna ask you, what do you do around here for fun?
3트 만에 대답 듣기에 성공하는데요.
Is anyone sitting here?
What you watching, fellas?
Our show.
TV를 보는 레리 옆에 앉는 지미. 그때 한 남자가 나타나 채널을 돌리는데
We were watching that.
Yeah, now you're fucking not.
용기 있게 채널을 다시 바꾸는 지미.
You want to change that back?
No. I don't.
Right fucking now.
기세 좋게 선빵을 날립니다.
Do I look like a fucking remote control to you? Why? Motherfucker, do I look like a fucking remote control?
그렇게 독방에 갇혀 있다가 풀려 나오는 길.
They let you out?
레리가 말을 걸어오는데요.
Why'd you stick up for us?
I wasn't sticking up for you.
마음을 조금 열게 된 레리.
Jimmy.
Larry.
Hey, why'd that guy get so upset the other day?
Percy, he's excitable. When Percy thinks that he's never gonna see his car again because he's serving life. What do you drive?
드디어 레리와 대화다운 대화를 나누게 된 지미.
67 Camaro SS, matte black with Kragers and fat ass 60s on it.
I like vans.
Yeah? You trick them out?
그런데 그때 간수가 지미를 찾아오는데요.
Your old man, he must have been a hell of a cop. You see, the only reason someone comes into a place like this under an assumed identity is because they're a snitch.
간수는 지미의 비밀을 빌미로 협박하는데요.
What do you want?
Let's not go confusing me with someone you can disrespect. You're a big player in Chicago, live large. So I need a small loan, and I'm good for it, and it ain't much. Not to you, but to me, in my present circumstances, it's a lot, and I need it fast.
How much?
10,000.
How am I supposed to come up with 10 grand in here?
I never met a drug dealer yet who didn't have rainy day cash tucked away somewhere. You tell your old man to get me my 10,000, like yesterday.
What if I can't lay my hands on it?
Then what good are your hands?
Mind if I come in? Just you?
Yeah.
Where's this from?
The reenactment. A bunch of us would get together and reenact famous Civil War battles.
Those mutton chops?
Burnsides. Generals wore them back then. That guy right next to me, that's my brother Gary. We're identical twins.
Really? He looks bigger.
He fed on me when we were in my mother's belly. He got all my nutrients and whatnot and grew big and strong, and I kind of withered, I guess.
You look fine to me.
Why are you being nice?
I don't know how anyone does time in a place like this without a friend to talk to. And we're right across from each other, so... Night, Larry.
다음 날
If I don't come up with 10 grand, I'm dead.
What do we do?
In the basement, there's a center wall speaker for the TV. In the center speaker, there's about 1 kilo in there. You can get it to me, I'll figure out a way to move it in here.
지미는 아버지에게 숨겨둔 마약을 찾아와 달라고 부탁하고
All right, I'm on it.
Real arrowheads?
위태로운 상황에서 침착하게 레리와 친분을 쌓아가는 지미.
And you found his arrowhead in the pine needles?
지미는 레리의 관심사를 정확히 파악하며 대화를 이끌었고 레리는 점점 더 개인적인 이야기를 꺼내게 되는데요.
Friday nights, football.
Oh, because you play.
Yeah, it was the only lie I ever loved.
Why was it a lie?
That life would always be that good. I'd get the girl. We'd go off into our happy ending together, and she'd love me forever.
What was her name? The girl? What girl?
I don't know. I never met her. I just thought that was a deal. You did something really well that girls really like to watch you do, and then the girl showed up. What can I say? I peaked in high school.
Well, at least you had high school. Pretty sure I peaked in the womb.
그때 간수가 나타나는데
You got your 2 o'clock.
Did you leave a bookmark in there?
Yeah, sure.
Thank you.
Where's my money?
Won't be money. It'll be product, and I'll need to move it.
How are you gonna do that, Jimmy?
If I can get it in, I can move it fast. Get you your 10 grand in a day.
And the Latin Kings? Black gorillas, the ones who will shank you before you sell your 2nd gram?
That's who I'll sell to. I'm not trying to deal grams. I'm trying to unload a single kilo to a single buyer.
When we'll get here?
Hopefully tomorrow.
No more fuck-ups. No more changes to the plan.
한편 상담사에게 지미에 대해 말하는 레리.
What about him makes him so easy to talk to?
He's easy to talk to. He looks at me, not through me.
레리는 지미를 친구라고 여기게 되었는데요.
Why are you here in Springfield? I mean,
Selling guns without a license and displaying antisocial tendencies.
지미를 자신의 사무실로 데려온 레리.
you're a big dog in this place. James, I just clean up spills and fix things. That's hardly important.
So what's the worst mess you ever had to deal with?
레리는 청소를 하던 중 가장 힘들었던 일에 대해 이야기하는데요.
There was this factory floor once. Something died, maybe a possum or something, and then the rats got to it. So there was all these hard, furry bits all over the floor, really gross.
사체 처리 과정에 대해 얘기하는 레리.
So what'd you do?
Oh, I got out the big guns. Monoethanolamine, ethyl alcohol, super toxic.
그리고 갑자기 새로운 화제를 꺼내는데
My brother, Gary, yeah. Gary says that sometimes they're wet.
What's wet?
You know?
You mean pussy?
Yes. Yes. Yeah.
You never had a wet one before?
No. I think you're making it up.
So the women you've been with,
They're dry as pine bark. It's all scratchy, you know?
you're okay with that?
Well, I don't care. The girl? I don't care. Do you? Do you care what the girls think of you after?
Only once.
지민은 레리의 말에 맞추기 위해 열심히 거짓을 꾸며내고
She didn't like the way things were going down too much.
Was she what?
Huh?
Was she?
Yeah.
Yeah, I don't believe it. But go on.
We were at her parents' house. She was gonna scream. So I covered her mouth real hard and finished. And then I had to tell her to never say anything or, you know, else.
Else? Or else what?
I don't know.
그러자 묘한 표정을 지어 보이는 레리.
I do.
Ciao, guys.
레리가 살인범이라는 걸 확신시켜주는 소름 끼치는 대화였는데요. 한편 아버지는 약속했던 물건을 찾지 못하고
There's nothing there, Jimmy.
Just go back.
I searched every inch of all 3 speakers. There's nothing there, Jimmy.
멘탈이 털리기 시작하는 지미.
What are you laughing at?
I'm gonna fucking die in here.
What'd you say?
Go home.
No. Go. Jimmy, I'm gonna be at that motel 10 miles away.
한편 레리 사건의 담당자를 찾아간 로런과 밀러 증거물에 대해 언급해 보는데
A bottle of birth control pills. I checked every pharmacy for 75 miles. Couldn't find a prescription for birth control medication in Ryson's name. You look into the whereabouts of Hall the night Ryson was killed? He was at a Civil War reenactment in Ohio, a few hundred miles away. Larry Hall planted fake evidence on himself for a crime no one was looking at him for. Ask yourselves, what kind of human being does that?
이번 사건은 정말로 레리가 범인이 아니었고 증거물은 완벽히 가짜였던 것인데요. 이에 로런은 지금껏 해온 모든 수사 과정에 의구심이 들기 시작하죠.
Have you made contact? Has he said anything about the murders?
No. Not at that stage yet.
결국 작전 중지까지 고려하게 되는데요.
Do you think he did any of it?
What?
Could he just be some sick asshole who likes taking credit for things he never did?
No. He's a murderer.
How can you be sure?
You know something I don't?
지민은 자신이 처한 상황을 이야기합니다.
One of the guards is gonna blow my cover unless I can get him 10 grand.
Jimmy, I can't get you 10 grand.
So what do I do?
We can get you out. It might take weeks, maybe longer.
Say I could survive in PC or something. What would happen then?
You go back to Milan, do your 10 years.
To Hall. What would happen to Hall?
If the appellate court decides, like the other judge did, that the confession was coerced, I mean,
What?
he'll walk. He'll be out in the world.
그러나 지민은 레리가 범인임을 확신했죠.
Then I'm staying in.
Hall confessed to a crime that we know he didn't do.
So?
So that throws all this in doubt.
No, it doesn't.
And he's not our guy.
He's our fucking guy. I can't think any other way. I absolutely fucking cannot. He's our guy.
로런은 작전을 이어가기로 합니다.
Accelerate your timetable. Get Hall to tell you where he buried those bodies, and we will get you out.
Keep your cell on, Warren.
과연 지민은 최악의 교도소에서 살아남을 수 있을까요? 애플 TV 플러스에서 만나보실 수 있는 블랙버드는 15명 이상의 여성을 살해한 희대의 연쇄살인마 레리 홀 사건을 바탕으로 제작한 실화 기반의 강렬한 범죄 스릴러 드라마입니다. 테런 에저턴은 주인공 지미 킨 역을 맡아 강렬한 카리스마를 발산하며 폴 월터 하우저는 레리 홀 역으로 생애 최고의 연기를 펼칩니다. 탁월한 스토리와 연기력을 모두 갖춘 블랙버드, 지금 바로 애플 TV 플러스에서 만나보시기 바랍니다. 감사합니다.